Okay, today here is the Street Guardian SG9663DR. Stands for dual remote. Let's see. Okay. Focus there. I got this one with the 128 gigabyte card. It should be high endurance also, but they didn't check it. We'll look at that in a little bit. Okay. There we go. Sand it. 128. Make sure that you use the high endurance cards in these. They put these cards in after you order it. That's why they have checked right here. You can get a 32 gigabyte and it takes all the way up to 512. I ordered this one with the 128, so they mark these after they put the card in that you pick. You can get it without a card if you want, but they're only going to knock off about $5. Got mine from Street Guardian USA. Very, very good customer support on the Street Guardian, and this supplier is stellar. If you have any issues at all, they take care of you quite fast and direct. Looks like we have a little bag here. I don't think you'll be using the bag because this is meant to be installed permanently. Okay. So we have camera mounts, 3M tape. One of the cameras. This one here has the CPL filter on it. I'm going to get my measure out and measure these up, and I'll post that down in the description. People are really curious about the size, and I have big hands, but it's a good little unit. It's going to end up on sliding in there, and then you'll rotate the camera. I'm not going to force anything yet because I have yet to look at this. So it's one camera, front and rear. They're both the same. So it doesn't matter which camera goes on the front, which camera goes on the rear. We'll peel that off there and we're going to put it on. So yeah, they're identical. Second one. We have the head unit here. This is the unit that you're going to want to hide a little bit. Put it in a spot that's not conspicuous there. Oh, all the cords go on here. Yeah, front camera, rear camera, GPS, power source, key. It's probably for the remote button. Good secure connections though. Looks like they got a screw on there. This one here is just a friction fit. That's for the GPS. Just plugs in there. All the other ones have some threads on them. Very nice. A little bit of venting. That's for your mounting if you want to mount it. Here there's a strong magnet mount or Velcro or double-sided sticky tape. Function buttons. I have no idea how to work those yet. Screen. And you have this one here says R. Probably reset. It's like the micro SD card. Audio video. One of those little USB lightning things on there. I don't know. Figure it out. Anyway, that's the head unit. It's foam protection. Got 2 fuses here. There are 5. 5 on there. Both the same. Little sticker of some sort, it looks like. It's a serial number. Hopefully you didn't see that. Okay, and we have a quick start guide. This one's not going to come with instructions because they have not posted those yet. Instructions are supposed to be posted online very soon. They keep changing stuff around a little bit. If you want to pause the video, get that to focus without any glare. If you want to read it, just pause. A warranty. I know this has a 1-year warranty, but if you register it online, Street Guardian will double that to 2 years. Bought it with a credit card. My credit card's supposed to double the warranty on my credit card purchases, so I don't know how that's going to work out. It's either going to be a 2-year warranty or a 4-year warranty. But Street Guardian's really good. Great customer support. Alright, this one here is the Hardwire Kit. It's meant to be hardwired. What we got here? Yeah, got the plug with the threads on it. Goes to the head unit. Like I say, I'm going to post the length of these cords down in the description. We have battery drain protection. Oh, come on. There we go. You're going to do a selector switch here for that. So if it goes below a particular battery drain. Input, power, black, accessory. Yeah, so you're supposed to, those little tap fuses here. This is the size they come with. I don't know what they call it. It actually does fit mine. It's the most common, but you can get them any size. They just plug right in. One's going to go to the accessory switch. You turn your key off. That way it'll identify that it's off and will go into parking mode. You have your constant plus battery. And of course your ground. It's a Hardwire Kit. This here is going to be the remote button. Because the unit's supposed to be hidden a little bit, once again. Some nice threaded connection there. Plugs in and then threads down. This lights up. Does a few things. It blinks and lights up depending on what the function is. There's a few things you can do with it, but generally it's mostly for saving a file. If you have an incident, you want to save the file. Again, I'll give you the length on that cord later. These are the camera cables. A nice 90-degree there. Saw some other posts recently. It's really recessed down in there. So, that goes on there. And it goes down in there pretty far. More secure. There's a little less chance of it breaking. You have one cable there. Another longer cable. Identical except for the length. You can put them wherever you want. Again, I'll give you the length on those. Okay. It must be the goodie bag here. Let's see what we got. Alright. Bunch of 3M double-sided here. I have a few alternatives on how to mount the head unit. That's obviously looks like it's for the remote button. Probably the camera mounts. Little Street Guardian sticker. I don't know. It's probably for the head unit. Caution, conversations may be recorded. If you want to put that on, let your guests know what's going on. I have a string. That's if you want to cut the mounts off. Just wrap it around the mounts and give it a pull and it'll cut right through it. Got some 3M cord ties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tidy up the cords. It's a GPS module. This is a dash mount GPS module. They have an option. You can get a glass mount if you want to mount it up on side your glass, but it's meant to be mounted with the GPS facing up. Plugs into the head unit. Trim removal pry tool. Cleaning wipes. Wet, dry. There's this we got here. That's card reader. USB card reader. I don't know what size that is. It's probably that newer size they have on most phones nowadays. But card reader. I bought this camera. I'm not with Street Guardian. This is my personal camera. I'm going to use it. So we got some Velcro. Double-sided sticky tape. Velcro. Probably for the head unit if you want to Velcro it. Velcro. These things here are ferrite. Those little things that you see around your power cords on your computer and stuff. Supposed to get rid of some interference. They must open up and you put them around the camera cables, probably on each end. Gets rid of some of the noise interference. And this is a magnet. So this is for the head unit also. Very strong magnet. Ooh. They even have a little washer in there so I can get it apart. Deadly. That's for the head unit. Well, that's it. That's the Street Guardian SG9663DR. Dual remote. Stands for DR. It's about the same as the SG9663DC Pro. This is more of a stealthier version of it. And if you want to get some reviews on the Dual Channel Pro, it's pretty much the same as this. This one has a few more features on it. It's got the parking mode. Like I say, I'll measure these cords out, put it in the description, and that's the unboxing of this little unit.